life is truly infectious. Give it up for equestrian